So here's my first video ever of doing anything to a semi. It's 2014 Peterbilt 389. The passenger side, I had to replace the lock. So my biggest problem was getting that panel back in with the window. So the key is you got to remove the window before you stick the panel back on. You probably want to remove the window first before you even pull the panel off. I pulled the panel off before I got the window out, but I couldn't get it back in for the life of me. I looked on YouTube, but there was no video, so I figured I'd make one. So yeah, the key is to pull the window out. It sits in here like so. And then as you can see, there's a, right there, just kind of pry it out. I use a plastic screwdriver, pry it out. Then you can put your panel on first and then put the window back in afterwards. Hope that helps. Would have saved me a lot if I would have found this video first. So to again change out the lock, to remove this door panel, so there's a screw here, screw there, pull the handle off, pull the trim around the door handle off. Underneath the grab handle there's two screws, and then I pull the window switches out, and you only have to remove that screw and that screw, this one and this one. Unless you actually want to pull it right out, you don't need to remove. And yeah, to pull the window out, just stick your screwdriver or something plastic preferred, just pry in here and pull it out.